at least bits of it if I remember it. So I'll show you a little bit the first one experience because I'm quite proud of it. Now you all have to look away because I have to find the Entropic token. And I know those are in high demand. Entropic tried to cut us off because they now have their Timo one, Cowork. Here we go, enjoy. Then you can configure the channel. I built a lot of skills. It installs a launch daemon on Linux, on macOS. It also works with Linux. Windows works, VSL works better, but those works. And then the first run experience is, of course you can do it in web, but I like the terminal more. I also built a TUI, and then it basically says, hello, who am I? What am I? What are you? You are Gollum. Let's see what's coming there.
Yes, we like the pressures. It fits us.
And then it also picks an emoji because like it's kind of this thing, like I have the space lobster emoji, every creature gets their own emoji, and I guess the swampy creature is good. I like the swampy creature. And I'm Peter, and I'm a demo in London right now, so there's like 100 people watching you. Yeah, it's bugging out. Let's see what it's saying. We like it. Oh yeah, the ring emoji. 100 pressures in London. So this is basically the startup. It has like a bootstrap.md. Again, everything's very simple. You don't need high tech for that. And you feed it with some information. It will create the identity files, the soul files, and it's also allowed to update them. You're recommended that you put it in Git, so it backs up its own work directory. It also has cron jobs. It also has sub agents. So everything that's a little longer, it can spin up sub agents. It can remember you. I use it as an alarm clock. And it has control of my Sonos speakers and also my computer. So it can both check on how much did I sleep and then like slowly change the lights because I use Philips Hue and it has control to the lights as well. It can check on the camera if I'm actually awake or not. Some people say I'm building Skynet here, but with claws. And oh yeah, it also built the game. So, but fuck you. So this is my own app trying to get me cookies. Make sound effects, the Space Invader game. I integrate quite deeply with Tailscale. So it has one of the features also is a web server, so you can just put files in a server. It'll automatically be distributed, so the model doesn't have to do too much, and you can totally use it as an experimentation. There's also native apps. You can put it on the wall, like it builds me a morning report with a custom dynamic interface where I have buttons. When I click a button, a prompt is sent back to the model, and it updates the interface. That stuff is still a little bit slow, but it's a transitionary problem. I think this is a glimpse into the future.
All right, let's claw into Claude Bot and see exactly what this thing can do, which is a lot. But first and foremost, it comes with a warning, like a legit warning. There's a reason why this thing wasn't made by the Frontier AI Labs, by Google, by Anthropic, by OpenAI. This is an open source project. The reason why labs won't release anything like this anytime soon is because, I mean, there's going to be a lot of people that are going to be absolutely wrecked by this thing. They're going to do something that they didn't know was dangerous, and it is dangerous, and data's going to get lost, they're going to get hacked, all sorts of bad stuff is going to happen. As a lot of people have pointed out, there's going to be disasters coming. We'll touch on that a little bit later. Basically, what CloudBot is it's your 24/7 AI assistant employee that will take a stab at anything you want it to. You hook it up to all your tools, your calendar, your email. You can even run it on your sort of a main computer where you have all your files and whatnot. And the sheer amount of stuff it can do is amazing. It can automate a lot of things. It can be incredibly, incredibly powerful. So really fast, here's some things that people have managed to do with a CloudBot. So here's Alex Finn. He just wanted to see what happened if he texted Henry. That's what he named his CloudBot. To make a reservation for me next Saturday at a restaurant. When the open table reservation didn't work, it used 11 Labs skill to call the restaurant and complete the reservation. AGI is here, and 99% of people have no clue. So I hooked up my CloudBot to 11 Labs, and yeah, I was pretty impressed how quickly and easily it's able to use the 11 Labs API to create a voice. So while I haven't tried this particular thing, I believe it. So since Cloud Code can be connected to 11 Labs to produce AI voice, it's connected to your calendar. It's able to, it also, I think, asks to connect to Google Places. So I set the Google API there, so it's able to get data on actual restaurants and other businesses and locations. Stuff like this is very possible, and it's only going to get better. So as Alex Finn is saying here, Cloud Code can learn to do anything. You just ask it to learn it. You don't need to explain it. It'll figure it out. A few days ago, he told it to learn how to talk. Here's an 11 Labs key, learn how to use it. Same thing for being able to use it. Twilio, I want you to be able to make phone calls for me. Please build skills for Twilio so you have a phone number. 11 Labs so you have a voice, and a Deepgram so you can listen. Tell me anything you need from me. I literally just posted that into the Claude bot, and let's see where it takes us. Maybe it'll be
we're floating on this wing.
Has been knocked clear. Algeria have their second corner now. And now a sudden chance to counter. He might be in here. Ruben Diaz kept his eye on it, and he's there. Paris Saint-Germain surely have to be commended for their drive and desire. Most teams would be taking the easier defensive route by now. He is through here. Wasn't deception. His positioning was spot on. Pedri. And De Ligt. That'll be a throw-in. Oh, that's neat. Foden. Foden will not want to lose out here, not against this opponent. The final moments of a game that has been pretty compelling overall. At least they're going about it as they should, having brought this on themselves. Oh, now here's an interesting matchup. Oh, well measured. Foden. Lookman. Distributed tidily. Now it's Yamal. Paris Saint-Germain nearly finished it off there, but now it's a case of waiting for the whistle. And it's Alaba. That's good play from him. To Nielsen. Deep cross. And he's there to get it. Oh, he's been caught napping. And a play for a throw. De Nielsen. A heavy challenge. He's got away. And he skips past his man. Plays it across. Neuer claims it. Safe hands. Referee looks at his watch and blows his whistle. Algeria pleasingly clever on the ball. They had their moments, but ultimately they take away nothing. So Jim, how do you reflect on what we've seen?
Algeria are looking a touch fragile, Peter. Confidence will look well down, and they have to find some courage quickly now if they're to react.
So just time for me to say thanks to Jim for his wisdom, and to wish you all a very good evening.
Should be this. Yeah, this is the microphone. Stream output. Okay. But boom, 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 boom. Nope. we're live. This is the live stuff. Oh, I see, I see, I see. So, yeah. So it should be like this. No. Think about this. I see, I see, I see, I see. Should be like this. Yeah. So I put the game somewhere up there, and I put myself. Okay, so game capture, where do I put it? Put it right up there. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. And webcam, I put it somewhere around here. Do we even have a webcam? I think we might actually do have a webcam. Let's put this shit maybe right here. Okay. Yeah. I think right here is maybe good. It's a little bit down. Yep. Okay, let me see the stream quality good. Let's see. How did this shit look? Stream quality good. Stream quality good. Let's see. Yeah, what about look? How do I configure the stream so that it's